This is a tour of my communication ethics notebook. Um, this is the first week of class. We talk about the Gutenberg project, the textbooks, the syllabus, and about the contract. And I think I have, what do I have here? I think I have the message the routing of the message here, the communication process model, the sender to the translating the message, the interpreting, and the receiver. I think, yep. And the critical thinking process over there, and then this was the this was the what do I call this? It was basically like the main point from the reading chapters from that week and the week after that. And here we talk about terms that were related to ethical communication over here. And here there was the steps in ethical reasoning. Usually I take my notes while in class. Anything that interests that catches that piques my interest, I write that down. Um, Usually during my assigned reading as well. Oh, this was the coronavirus thing with the CDC during the white press briefing. Yeah, what do we have here? Yeah, that was the continuation of that. And here we talk about the moral development. I don't know if you can read some of this handwriting. Talk about the prescriptive theories of ethics. Okay. I think this was right after the that little competition we had in class the other day, where you pick the best three class performers, the highest ranking three personnel. There's the Middle Ages. It was a few notes on my own during my reading, talking about absolutism, relativism. Um, Here's the political Roman era. This one was talking about Europe in general, the Renaissance period, the late Middle Ages, so on and so forth. It's just me, taking note during class, during the little you thought when you were showing those paintings that day, the other day, and I was just thinking about I took a note on Petrarch, and I was gonna do a little research about him on my own. This was during the little activity we had with the guest speaker, that female guest speaker that day. I think this was my personal notes at home. I was gonna do a few research on these. And usually the blanks, if I leave a blank in the middle, is because I wanted to do research on them and whatnot on my own. And this was me just taking notes from my the video, from my what was that again? Let me see. About the ethical media analysis. So those are the readings to chapter 10, chapter 9. So basically my notes that I took from my reading assignment this week and last week. Yeah, over there you can see chapter 8. I think I have chapter 9. Chapter 9 over there. And I think behind here was chapter 10. Yeah, chapter 10 over there. These are just basically the notes I took from the assigned readings. I like to just jot down anything and everything that piques my interest. Thank you.